The dog feeds in the east.
But his bowl requires special chicken kibble.
You may enter.
As the junior integration lead, I've decided to make some preemptive changes to the robotics team to ease the transition for when Fallon leaves. For example, I've decided to up the security. I mean, before anyone could just walk on in. It's almost like we want people to be here. Ugh. But now, we have true and utter security!
The dog feeds in the east.
But the bowl requires a special chicken kibble. So
Close.
But the bowl requires a special bacon kibble?
Worse.
But the bowl requires a worse chicken kibble?
No. I meant your answer was worse. The answer is, but his bowl requires a special chicken kibble.
Ah, but his bowl requires a special chicken kibble.
No. Right, but because I've told you the answer, I can't let you in. Sorry, Ruhan. Maybe tomorrow. This week, I've done a lot of work on the bumpers for the robot, as well as lathing certain parts for our robot. So this is a lathe. It's likely the most dangerous machine in our shop, so I'm not going to turn it on. But we are using this tool. Never mind, the tools are gone. We are using this tool. It's a parting tool to cut our shafts where we want them to be. And this tool, which is the facing tool, to make sure that they are completely flat. And the end result is something like this. A little piece of shaft with a hole that fits 1032, which is the size of screws that we use on our robot.
Well, since I've totally actually been super seriously locked outside, I haven't been doing anything. But let's just say hypothetically I wasn't totally seriously actually locked outside. I'd probably be inside working on bumpers, folding them and just making sure, they're all in tip-top shape and all that. And finalizing climb, like getting the climb plates camped so we can cut them on the CNC. But that would be happening if I wasn't totally seriously actually super certainly outside.
Okay, so we're working on the bumpers here. We got people ironing the numbers on. We got people putting the bumper fabric onto our bumpers. We're almost done. We just gotta finish up this one and do this one.
Hey, I'm William. I'm the co-captain of the team. This week I've been doing a very fun job of managing everybody, currently doing the software training for the robot. Just making sure everybody's on track, things are going well, field's all set up every day. And today, right now, we're doing human player practice. So we're setting up, making sure everybody's in line, collecting all the balls, and seeing how many LeBron James we can create in the short time we have. It's a pretty fun event.
So this week, Electrical has been working to help software with their training because this is their week to test and deploy all the mechanisms. So we've been helping them with that, and currently we are working on this problem that we're having on the robot, which is static. So this week, Electrical is working on focusing where everything works on the robot, especially all the motors. So over here, we've had some a little bit of malfunctioning, but we've been able to fix it. And specifically, we're just working on securing the battery because we've had some issues with that. But it's an ongoing process, and we're making everything better.
So my name is Matthew Edelin. I am the 2537 software lead for the Appleton robotics team. And this week, over the course of the past 7 24-hour periods, I have been working on autonomous functions of our robot in preparation for our competition.
Finally!
Okay, meeting's over.
Are you serious? You're not kidding me, right?
Nope.
Come on!